What is up, guys? Yo, I'm here with Masaya. We actually came to this park basically to film the podcast. Oh, you're cute. There's a baby looking at me. So we came here to film a podcast, and I don't know why, but look at the amount of people here. It is a Saturday though, so that's probably our fault. But let's look at that. This bunch of people. Do you think this is okay for COVID? I mean, we are outside, so I don't know. You want to show them?
Yeah, let's zoom in.
So that in this beautiful spot, you know, where families are gathering, friends are gathering together, having a picnic. We got people on a Saturday working. I don't think I can zoom all the way in. Right that. It's just a circle of like salary men and women drinking coffee. They're what?
They are workaholic.
Workaholic? Yeah, it's on Saturday, and then it's not like they're drinking beer or anything. It's not like they're on a holiday or like a gathering. They're drinking coffee. They look like they're working. They look like salesmen. じゃない？営業の人じゃない? I don't know. They look serious in this very like not serious environment. So, dude, where we gonna film? Alright, we have left the park. We're in this shopping mall, going to the roof because they got like this garden thing going on, hoping that there's not a lot of people. There's gonna be a lot of people. It's a Saturday. Look at all the people not being here. Shit. We just got to the roof. No people at all. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. They'll be windy though.
Wait, that's
nice. Nice, Masaya. He found this place, so credits to Masaya for finding this place. There is a security guard, so we better do this until he says that you're not allowed to film. So let's go. All right, I am here with, that's a little bit blown out. I am here with, oh, there's a car behind us. I'm here with Shimizu. It's a different day.
Yeah.
We have just finished the podcast that I did with Masaya. Thank you. Shout out to Masaya. Thank you for that. It went really well. We talked about games in Japan, so go check it out. I'm assuming I'm gonna post it the same time I'm gonna post this vlog.
Yeah.
So, oh shit, here we are. We met up with Shimizu today to kind of film this. Apparently, it's a very spicy and very nice ramen in Japan.
Yeah.
What is it famous for?
日本一辛くてうまいラーメン。
Okay. So it's in Japan. It's like the most spicy but nice ramen. You know, it's not just spicy. It's also nice. So I'm gonna check it out. I love spicy food. I love ramen. So it's the best combination, I think. So we're gonna check it out. See if it's worth 800 yen. 700 yen. Not that bad. So I'm gonna check it out. We're gonna eat this. So we can't film. We can't film inside.
まあまあこの写真だけでいいよ。
We're going to take some pictures, we're going to see, and then see my reaction of eating.
そうだね。
I mean, it's not like I'm going to film the whole restaurant. I'm just going to film myself eating, and see how that goes.
今日行くこれ。俺も食えなくても知らんよ。まあ別にいや行った方がいいと思う。これは挑戦として。俺もちょっと一口食べてみたいし。俺はこれで。
So I have to pay for.
俺これでケツからちょっと火出た。
Really?
でもこれは全然食える。俺もなんか
でもなんか辛いの弱いもんね。Yeah, I'm going for 9. Cute. Alright, let's check it out. Let's go eat this.
はい、お待たせしました。味噌タンメンですね。はい、失礼します。ごゆっくり召し上がりください。では、北極を申しますね。
じゃあ定食の方から失礼しますね。
はい。
北極ラーメンですね。ラーメンの方お熱いのでお気をつけください。失礼します。
色違う。これも辛いんだっけ？
それちょっと食べてみる。それうまいよ。あ、うまい。これあれ6ぐらい。
Oh, okay. Oh, that's not even the ramen.
これが6だ。
これすぐ来るやつだね。怖っ。吸えない。怖くて。
このむせるのがね。どう？
あ、でも
いける？
いける。あ、なんかどんどん食ったら辛くなりそうな感じだけど。
スープ飲んで。マジで？
美味しい。なんかわかる。食べ続けたらめっちゃなんか汗とか出てくるけど、全然食べ続けられる辛さ。痛くない。うまい。
だからここなんかね、辛い。なんだろう。スープって辛いだけじゃん。でも辛さの中に旨味あるからさ。
吸いたくねえよマジで。
まあ。
Alright, that was it. What do you think?
Good.
Okay, that was. So they actually came out with this cup ramen version where it's only on 7-Eleven, and I've already eaten it, and that was nice. So that's why we decided to go to there and then try out their more spicy bit. But it was like not that spicy, surprisingly. It was it was spicy. Like trust me, when you're not used to spicy food, and then you go eat that. I think we ate the second spicy flavor from the top. So that was that's really, it was very spicy. But for me, I was able to continue eating without going crazy and stuff. So it was very nice. Plus, the flavor was very good. That's why I was able to continue as well. So that was another thing.
Maybe your tongue is crazy.
My tongue is crazy. It's been trained with Malaysian spicy food, and so my tongue is crazy.